I think the reality is oftentimes people are a little bit intimidated by the scripture. There's just something really special about this, just to have a nice extended conversation, not just from an academic or intellectual perspective, but really the whole gamut of faith and heart and sacraments and liturgy and ritual.
Scripture changes everything, beginning with our hearts, our lives, our marriages and families, the world itself. Yeah.
Over the years, I've had many people say to me, Father Dave, I just don't get anything out of the scriptures.
I think sometimes the world is so loud that God is speaking, but we can't hear him.
We've got to make a connection to the one that we're adoring before us and kneeling down, and they're so reverent, but we're dismissive of the word.
Right.
Help us with that.
Why shouldn't every Catholic be able to say, did not our hearts burn within us as the scriptures were opened? The Father has spoken his word, who became flesh, to dwell among us, to die and rise for us, to pour out the spirit of sonship so that we can say, Abba, Father. The good news turns out to be, well, it seems to be too good to be true. But I discovered it's the truth. It's the whole truth. It's nothing but the truth. So we've got to get it out. I mean, these men were reflecting upon what they had experienced with Jesus for years. They were also contemplatives. They had learned to pray as he had taught them. They had been empowered by the Spirit.